All right, everybody, you wanted to see the video of how it was made. This is it. Here it is. The AT walker. It's been used. It's been out to several things. So the video that we're going to show you is just going to let you know how we did it and how we achieved this AT walker that can fit one teenager or youth here and one teenager or youth here. But real quick, I'm going to give this thing the once around. Here, y'all check it out. Just the once around, coming around. Oh yeah. Now I'm going to give you a close-up look at the head, what we did for the head. Tops of Pepsi bottles off right here. And right here, just cardboard cut. And it's been hot glued. Everything on here is hot glued. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to actually flip this to its side so you can see the shoulder harnesses that we created and the two PVC pipes that we actually put in here so the kids could carry it along with the shoulder straps. So this is really the system. I took 3 different boxes. You can plainly see now that these are just 3 different cardboard boxes. And just zip tie. Matter of fact, let me get you out of the camera here so you can actually see. So now let me show you the inside where we actually zip tied some of the stuff. Can you see the zip ties here? And it comes through here. So everywhere we could, we would zip tie it, but between each box, we did hot glue everything. So between each box, there's hot glue all along here, man. Hot glue is the best. Once you use it, you'll never use anything else. And now, if you can see, I don't know how plainly you can see this, but the piping system that I ran through here, after they were hot glued together, I cut holes and I used PVC pipes to put through here. And when the kids are in here, they have shoulder harnesses. So you figure a kid's shoulder would be here, the other shoulder would fit right in here. And so while the youth is in here, they would literally be carrying it on their shoulders, and if they wanted to, they could hold the post. And then if you look, I did cut out a hole from front to back so that one person in the back could speak to the person in the front and so forth. Now, something else I really did that I wanted to do, it was racking a lot. This thing was, the boxes were going back and forth. So I made corner braces, and if you look right in here, the corner braces I glued right here in the corner, and it's just hot glue. Right here in the corners, I hot glued them. Same thing here, hot glued these right in here. And actually you're getting a better view of those gutter shields you get at Lowe's or somewhere. And then of course that's their natural color. And then I do have this handle right here for the person in the front to move the head back and forth. So there's a movement of the head here. All right, now the head right here is a little heavy, so when we have it hanging, it wants to fall. So how did we solve that problem, Noah?
Simple fishing line.
Fishing line, yeah, that's right.
Oh,
if you look, we can show them coming from the top center, there's a hole, and I'll show you the inside, but it comes here in Y's and then connects to the head to hold the weight so it doesn't droop or slouch. Now, if you look on the inside here, I'll show you. Just a hole. I have some more backing here with cardboard, and I hot glued this, and then that string is wrapped around a little PVC pipe, and it pulls and stops there, and that carries the weight of the head. Because if you have that head hanging out there, the person in the front is not going to want to hold that thing up the entire time. So that's pretty much it. The AT walker, totally made out of cardboard, hot glued together, paint, and with a little bit of a rigging system in there consisting of PVC piping and of course the straps. You get 2 people in there. I know what people are gonna ask. What about the legs? What about the AT-AT walker legs? I actually made cardboard boxes that slipped up over their legs. We ran out of time. We were rushing to get this done, so we had to shut that idea down. That happens a lot. But again, if you have any questions, please comment below and ask away. Anything we didn't cover here, we're just trying to make it quick and easy. But if there is something you'd like to know, ask in the comments. We will do our best to answer this. This project was fun. The AT-AT walker. Like and subscribe, of course. May the force be with you.